Chapter number 3, Advanced Topic in MS Access. We discuss about what is Access. Microsoft Access is a database management system DBMS from Microsoft that combines that relational Microsoft Jet database engine with a graphical user interface and software development tool. It is a member of Microsoft Office suite of applications included in the professional and higher editions or sold separately. Luke Chang is a president and founder of FNS, a leading provider of third-party developer tools for Access. We have studied in a previous class how we can create a table. We can create a table in either of the two views, design view and datasheet view. After we have entered data in the table, we may selectively retrieve data of the table or tables. This is known as querying a table database. First, primary key. This is a field or combination of fields which can uniquely identify each record in a table. The value in primary key fields is different from different records. The primary key ensures that there is no data duplication inside the table. As you may remember, this is one of the points of advance of DBMS database management system. The MS Access software automatically adds an ID number to each record. To assign multiple key as primary key, hold down the control key and click the row selector for each field. Creating query. There are two different methods available in MS Access to create query for the data combination. In a table or tables, there are query wizard method and query design method. First, query wizard method. In this method, you are guided through a series of dialog boxes to create a query. To create query using query wizard method. To create query using query wizard method, follow the given step. Click the create tab. In query group, click query wizard, a dialog box open. Click on the simple query wizard, press OK in the about screen. On doing so, a dialog box of simple query wizard appear on the screen. Now click on arrow, select the fields to retrieve. However, pressing double arrow selected all the fields of the parent table as the field to select it. This is helpful if we need to retrieve almost all the fields, then we have to deselect some fields one by one from the right side. After selecting the fields in step 5, click on Next button. Now you are taken a screen where you can put in a little for the query. Finally, click on the Finish button for the query to show up. The query little will show up as the name of the tab where the query show up. Query design method. This method creates a new blank query in design view. Step to create using query design view are as follows. First, click on create tab, click on queries group, click on query design command. On doing so, you see a dialog box. Here, select either table on which you want to run query or select a save query to run on the table. After making all the selection, click on Add button on the dialog box. You can see the screen after the above operations. When MS Access 2010 save a query from a table, it saves the query dynamically. This means that if the table content changes, the output of save query may very well change. Forms. Forms are used to check each record of a given table one by one. It helps people not familiar with access to deal with the data in table. There are four different methods to create form. These are use of form command in the ribbon, use of form wizard, use of split form, use of datasheet, use of form command. Select the table which you want to create form. Click on Create tab. Form from Form group, click on Form command. On doing so, that table will give from the member of form will be the number of rows in the table. Form are represented by the icon. Use of split form. Step to use split form are as follow. Click on Create tab on ribbon. Now from Form group, click on a drop down list appear. Now from the list, click on Split Form. MS Access create the form in the upper half of the window and display the datasheet view in the bottom half. The two views are separated by the bar. A bar can be moved up or down to resize the lower window. User Form Wizard. Step to use Form Wizard are as follows. First, select Form Wizard from Form Group of Create tab. From the above dialog box that open up, select the field name from the fields given on the left side of the dialog box. Click on Next button, select any layout. Now click on the Next button and click on Finish. Reports. Reports are the way to produce the data stored in database and tables in a printed form. We can generate the report into two ways. Use a report command, use a report wizard. Use a report command. In the Create tab, go to Report Group and click on Report command. A report screen will open up. Along with that, four new tabs will open under the heading Report Layout Tool. The new tabs are Design, Arrange, Format and Page Setup. Use of Report Wizard. You may also generate report regarding a table using a report wizard. You will find report wizard. Click on Create tab, click on Report Group and click on Report Wizard. This command help you generate various kind of report from the table. The report wizard will take you through the various steps leading to report generation and will give you operation on what kind of report you want. Printing a report. We may print a report that we get as long as the printer is installed in the computer system. We may see the print command in Print Preview tab. Clicking on Print show the window and click on OK. Now you know. Primary key unique identify record in a table of a database. How to query for some fields of given table. Write the query on the table using simple query wizard. Some properties of fields of a table are field name, table of field, short order of fields, whether to show the field or not, displaying from a table using from command or splitting from or from wizard or datasheet, displaying report or data stored in database to print a report. This is the end of our third chapter.